Hi, it's Mike and thanks for joining me on this video. And today I'm discussing using pages in Moodle. So there's two ways to do it. There's one, adding a Moodle page direct onto your course page or course website, and then there's an indirect way of linking it in text. So let's have a look at method one, and this is placing a Moodle page directly onto your course VLE page. So in the top right hand corner of your website you'll find either a button saying turn editing on, or go to the little cog and click next to it and you'll find edit settings and turn editing on, plus a few other features. So turn editing on and then go to the bottom of the topic area where you want to add your page to, and you'll find a link saying add an activity or a resource. So if you click that, all the Moodle options will come up, and what you need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and somewhere near the bottom select page. Okay, so another window will appear, and in general give your page a name. In this instance I've put demonstration Moodle page, and then in the content you find the text editor, as we've seen previously on another video. It's very similar to Microsoft Word, and you can create headings and text and so on, and so do that as required. And then if you scroll on down a bit, there's another Moodle feature called Appearance, and you can either choose for the page to open, and that will take the students away from your main page on your VLE, or you could choose in pop-up, and it will come up in some sort of pop-up window. Please note also that you can control the pop-up width and height. Once you've done all that, what you can do is scroll on down and save and return to the course. And this is the student view. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sort of Moodle Pages icon, and the page is linked with the name that you gave it in the previous slide. And if they click on that link, you can see your excellent work with headings and text that you've created. So that's the student view. But of course, if you've got anybody on your staff who can write HTML and CSS code, you can make your Moodle pages look even smarter. But if you don't, then you've got to do it yourself, just using the Moodle features. Right, method two, the indirect link into text. So once again, go to that all-important turn editing on button or the cog, and you click that and the edit settings and turn editing on appears. So click turn editing on, go down to your topics area and click this time add topics. Okay, add topics, not add activity or resource just yet. So once you've done that, right at the bottom you'll find, at the bottom of your VLE page you'll find the new topic. So give it a name. I've called this My Secret Area, and then against that topic on the right hand side you'll find an edit button. So click edit and you'll see edit topic, highlight, hide topic and delete topic. So click on hide topic. And then once you've done that, you'll see that your topic area, in my case, my secret area, is now hidden from the students. So then create your Moodle page, which I've already described. So do another one in your secret area. Then again, go to the edit link against your Moodle page, and you'll find a link there saying make available. So click that and go to the sort of bottom right hand side of the screen, and you'll see that your Moodle page is now, instead of greyed out, which is hidden, it's now blue, showing you that link is available. And also you'll get a sort of annotation saying available but not shown on the course page, which is great. So the next step is to create a label, and it's straightforward. I've done a previous video on adding text or labels to your Moodle course, so if you haven't seen that, please go back. So in the general area, again, what we can do is, as you see in my text, I've got a read more, and I've used the insert link facility on within the button area of the text editor and inserted a link. But which link did I use? I did not use the right click on the link on your Moodle page, because that's not going to work. So please don't do that. Instead, open up your new Moodle page that you've created and copy the URL at the top of that, and then copy and then paste it into the URL against the link within your text. Okay, so that's really important to remember. Okay, so the student view. On method 1, I showed you how to put a Moodle page direct onto your VLE page, and this is the student view. They see the icon with blue text that they click on, and the page will open up. Method 2 is quite useful, because if you've got a load of text to put on to your Moodle page and make it really long and scrolly, which is horrible, then you can add let's say a read more facility to your text by copying the URL of the open page and bobbing it in your text as a link. So that's it. My name is Mike. I'm at A Little Grey Hair on Twitter, littlegreyhair.com on the web. And if you like this, please press the like button. And if you like to see more, hit subscribe and you'll get a notification of when I do other videos. Thanks very much, and see you in the next one.